What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I got 3 high-yield dividend real estate investment trusts to buy. I did post a video on that, but I'm going to go into a certain sector now. So we're going to focus on the industrial real estate investment trust. 3 of them that are high-yield REITs. They are increasing their dividends slowly. Some of them took a little bit of a dip, but they're coming back with a vengeance. I got 2 bonus stocks for you, actually 2 in the medical REITs, and I'm going to do a dividend stock analysis video. So again, if you are new to this channel, these videos are free for you. All I ask you to do is hit that notification bell because I pump out videos. I try to get 4 videos a week. I do dividend stock analysis videos for you guys. I don't have a Patreon account. I do these videos for you guys as dividend investors. So just hit that like button, subscribe. This is for you guys. So let's check this out right now. That first dividend stock is called Monmouth Investment Corporation. So this is an industrial REIT. I'll go over on their website and just do a quick review on them. So they have a dividend yield of 3.82%, a market cap of 1.85 billion. The year range was 1309 to $19.76. Let's check out these guys. So Monmouth is one of the oldest publicly traded real estate investment trusts in the world. Our longevity is a direct result of being patient and conservative stewards of capital. The decision-making process here is to be guided by appreciation for all that has been built in the past and a focus on continuing to deliver sustainable long-term results for many years to come. So they were formed in 1968. What is their portfolio about? Here's some of their properties. And again, these are in demand. FedEx, Home Depot, Milwaukee Tool, Beam Suntory, Best Buy, Coca-Cola. These are facilities that people are going to use, that people are actively going inside these stores. These are actively used. This is General Electric, FedEx Ground, Anheuser-Busch, and pharmaceuticals. So these are all buildings that people always go into, and usually the rent is being paid for completely, and usually these people are good, have a good tenant and landlord relationship. So let's check out their dividend history. So these guys have consistently increased their dividend from 15 cents to 16 to 17 to 18. They just cracked 18 cents. And these guys are pretty cheap as a dividend stock. They're sitting at $18.87 with a 3.8% dividend yield. So these guys have a rich tradition. These guys have increased their dividends over time. And these guys are a very attractive real estate investment trust. Let's check out the next one. And that one is Plymouth Industrial REIT. This one, it has a 3.73% dividend yield. The market cap is 729 million US dollars. The year range is 1118 to 2404. The day range is 2242 to 2302. So these guys have a little bit of a dip, and they're slowly catching up to where they were before. So when the dip happened, they were at 2085, and they're right now 2250. So their dividend is we need to check that out. But their price per share is increasing, which makes it very attractive as a dividend stock in a real estate investment trust. What are these guys about? So they're an industrial real estate investment trust that focuses on acquisition, ownership, and management of single and multi-tenant industrial properties, including distribution centers, warehouses, light and industrial, small bay industrial properties located in primary and secondary markets in the main industrial distribution and logistics corridors of the United States. Say that 10 times fast. So here's the thing. These buildings, here's just their Jacksonville portfolio. Here are some things that they like to discuss. Here's the Fisher Industrial Park in Cincinnati. That's actually a very big area. So let me just show you their properties. Here's some of their properties. The Executive Park Court, Belfort Court in Jacksonville. So here's basically, they're very transparent with what they own in a lot of their buildings. So there's Thunderbird Cincinnati. That's like right. What's crazy is that's like right by where my brother and his wife used to live, right around this area. Here's Southwest Boulevard in Columbus, Southwest Boulevard in Columbus again. So these are in some big areas that are in demand. And let me show you its dividend history. And then here's the nice thing too, 179 buildings, and over 28 million square feet in 12 markets. That's very attractive. And again, they're just going to get bigger and bigger. So let me show you their dividend history. So here's the thing that hurts at one point. They were 37.5, okay, or 37 cents. Then they hit 20 cents, then they hit 21 cents. They're sitting at 22.50 with a dividend yield of 3.68%. So they're starting to go up, and hopefully they'll creep back up to where they were. It's going to probably take some time. Right here, I mean, the pandemic hit, so they're going to take a little bit of a hit, and they took a blow, but their dividend is slowly increasing, and that makes it very attractive. And I see a lot of security with these guys. So I actually added these guys to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and I have a lot of confidence in these guys. I plan on being long in them, and very attractive. I have it. I'll show you in probably a month or two the changes I made with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I need to perfect a few things, but I'm not there to where I want to be. And I'm starting to buy some stocks. I'll show you eventually, and may do a collaboration video with someone who's going to review mine, and he's probably going to grill me. He's like a M1 Finance guru, so I'm going to probably have him do that. I'll direct you guys to the link. So that's my second stock. Let's check out the third stock. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorites. Stag Industrial, monthly dividend stock. Very good, well diversification, a dividend yield of 3.61%. The year range is 29.34 to 43.55. This one is increasing its price per share, and it's increasing its dividend over time. If you guys are new to this channel, I have done numerous videos on Stag, but I'll just do a really brief description over these guys. These guys are a real estate investment trust focused on the acquisition and operation of single-tenant industrial properties throughout the U.S. By targeting this type of property, Stag has developed an investment strategy that helps investors find a powerful balance of income plus growth. 501 buildings, 39 states. I sometimes follow them, just listening or hearing some stuff in the emails and acquisitions. 501 buildings are very well diversified. I'm not going to go into great amount of detail because this is a well-known real estate investment trust. Very powerful. And I'm going to show you their dividend history, which make them very attractive. See, the thing I like about real estate investment trusts, usually they increase their dividend over time. They're about a 3 to 5% dividend yield. If they're higher, just be careful. Of course, I own OHI. I love those guys. But right here, it's starting to go up 11 cents, 12 cents, hopefully 13 eventually. But, it's not a huge jump where it's going to really go fast and, increase its dividend over time. It's not a jumper, but I like this as a really good monthly dividend stock. I own this one as a monthly dividend stock, and it's slowly increasing over time, and it's a very popular, it's probably the most attractive real estate investment trust that is within the industrial REIT sector. So let's jump to the two bonus stocks. I'm going to jump to those. And again, one of the bonus stocks that I like, these are the medical ones, Physicians Realty Trust. I have done numerous videos on these guys, and I'm going to show you their dividend history. The dividend yield right now is 5.02%. So what are these guys? Are they consistent? We got to check out their dividend history. The answer is yes. 22 cents, 23. Hopefully it'll crack 24. And the dividend yield's 5.03%. Again, healthcare real estate investment trust. You have to really be a bonehead to screw up with your portfolio. But I absolutely love this one. This is one of my favorites. I have this in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Its dividend slowly has increased. It's sitting at $18.33. How do you say no to that one? And that's why I own it, and I'm long in it. And again, in this video, this is for entertainment purposes only. This is not for financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I have a disclaimer in the description, just as an FYI. By the way, you better hit that subscribe button. So if you haven't, you better. And smash that like button. So let's jump to the last one. Again, I have emphasized this one as well. Medical Property Trust. It's sitting at $20.72. Very well diversified. It owns numerous properties in numerous countries: Colombia, Germany, Italy, Portugal, Spain, UK. very big real estate investment trust. It's very powerful real estate investment trust. I own this. I'm very glad that I found this one and I'm long in it. And I'll show you its dividend history. Now, again, the importance is dividends that increase over time. I like this: 20 cents, 21 cents, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Dividend yield is 5.42%. This is a very attractive real estate investment trust. I own this one. I am long in it. I love that 3 to 5% range. So since it's 5%, I like the yield. So far, I think it's pretty stable. Again, I'll say this again, it's not financial advice, but beds are going to be filled. These guys are in demand. They're well diversified as a real estate investment trust. Mental health, other acute care, long-term care facilities, they know what they're doing. They're doing very well. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Got to hit that notification bell. I pump out videos, at least 4 videos a week. I also am planning on doing collaboration videos probably sometime in December. It's getting crazy with graduate school. This next month is going to be like crazy. So I need to put some time in. I got a big paper and project, and I have a group project. I'm very fortunate to have some very hardworking people in my project, and we're going to kick some ass on that big project, and we'll go from there. So you guys take care and have a great Sunday, and go Browns with that victory. Loving that victory of the Browns.